At the heart of the coronavirus outbreak in Wuhan, 3,500 empty beds are being made in the city's convention centre. And with the number of coronavirus cases doubling every few days, they won't be empty for long. The UK has already evacuated nationals living in Wuhan itself, but has now recommended all Britons still in China as a whole leave the country if they can. Michael Mureku, who teaches in Beijing, now wants to get his wife and children, one of whom is asthmatic, home.
I'm very alarmed now, very scared now, and I want to try and leave it as soon as possible. I mean, the longer it stays, the more difficult it gets to even leave, because then, well, practically every flight now is actually closing their doors to China now. And I mean, the longer it takes, even the worse it's going to be.
But some in less affected parts of China see no great cause for concern.
I'm sure I will come under pressure from family back home who will say, right, now you need to get home. I don't feel in danger. Rightly or wrongly, I don't.
There are 29,000 British nationals resident in mainland China, and another 600,000 visit every year. The Foreign Office doesn't know how many are there right now, but believe it's in the tens of thousands. The government has already evacuated 94 from Hubei province and a warning against all travel to the area. There are a further 35,000 Britons in Hong Kong, and well over 500,000 visit a year. So far, there are no restrictions on the region. The UK advice contradicts World Health Organization recommendations. Travel bans can make global health responses harder, and it will anger China's leaders. But with the virus spreading across China and flights in and out becoming limited, health officials here defended the decision.
Clearly the risk is greatest in Wuhan, and that's why people have been specifically brought back from there. The risk across the rest of China is starting at a much lower base, but it is increasing.
It's now emerged that a Belgian woman who shared the same flight as these UK nationals repatriated from Wuhan on Sunday has now tested positive for the virus. Public Health England said those brought home are under supervised isolation and being monitored for symptoms. But a hint of good news, an analysis of the genetics of the virus from the UK's first 2 cases reveal it's not become more infectious than when the outbreak started in December. A virus that doesn't mutate is easier to control. Tom Clark, News at 10.